Hey everyone, today I'll walk you through how to export data from Airtable. I'll show you this on the web version, but the desktop app works exactly the same way. First, navigate to your Airtable workspace and open the base that contains the data you want to export. Click on the base name from your workspace. The base will open, showing your tables and views in the sidebar. Once your base is open, select the specific table you want to export. In the left sidebar, click on the table name. The table's data will appear in the main grid view. Before you export, prepare the view. Airtable exports exactly what you see in the current view. If you have fields hidden, they won't be included in the export. If you have filters applied, only those filtered records will export. Use the filter, sort, or hide fields buttons in the toolbar above the grid to adjust what's visible. The grid should show exactly the data you want to export. Now you're ready to export. Look at the view name in the view's sidebar. You'll see a down arrow icon to the right of it. Click that down arrow. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that drop-down menu, click Download CSV. The CSV file will immediately start downloading to your computer's Downloads folder. A few quick tips. First, the file saves straight to your Downloads folder. There's no save dialog, so remember to look there. Second, consider naming your file with a consistent convention, like including the table, name, and date, to keep your exports organized. Third, if you need this in Excel format rather than CSV, just open the CSV file in Excel, then go to File, Save As, and choose Excel Workbook from the Format dropdown. One more thing to note: if your view has attachment fields, the CSV will include the file name and URL, but those URLs expire after a few hours, so download any attachments you need right away. Also, record comments, field descriptions, and data and extensions won't be included in the export. That covers the full process. If this helped, a like and subscribe really supports the channel. See you next time.